Join me today as I tell you how you can make a buck for your charity from motorcycles.
Motorcyclists are a benevolent group of people, probably because they're seen as a minority group and often feared by the wider community. They identify with minority groups or people that are down on their luck, who need a hand, who are ill or whatever. Many of them have a background similar to that, and that makes them very prone to support charity and community events, and they do it every weekend all over Australia.
I'm going to be at the Evo Fest.
And what about the people that aren't going to be there? What's the message for them?
Well, they're missing out.
If you're a motorcyclist and you're anything like me, when you see a flyer or an advert for a charity event, you're going to be there for sure. Get up early, hit the bank and get to the venue. When you think of these charity events, historically they used to be run by community groups like Rotary, Lions, whatever. The big difference is between flipping burgers on a day and earning $500 or $600, some of these events are bringing in $40,000 and $50,000. It is Julian GoPros. How you going?
Good, mate, yourself?
Good to see you. Yeah.
So this is Evo Fest again, guys.
Evo Fest, 26th and 27th of April in Kerrang. Great weekend. Full show and shine Sunday. All makes, models welcome, but we do feature the Evos on the Saturday. And come up and have a great weekend. We'll see you there.
We certainly will.
So, is this the future of volunteering in the community? It seems to me, as a motorcyclist, that there are people involved in their communities and very actively involved, but they're doing it in a different way. No, they're not joining the traditional service clubs. Where are we?
At the poker run. It's not me on poker run.
The charity poker
Charity
run.
poker run for sick kids.
Yeah. In Echuca here today, 6th annual.
Yes.
Yep. Now, when I came here this morning, I thought I'd be bringing an Indian along to a Harley event, but what have you ridden today?
Suzuki.
Now, all these blokes and girls that you see arriving at this event, they're all paying $50 to be here for the privilege of taking part in this charity event. Not only that, they'll be attending the auction later in the evening, goods and services auction, and they will also be making donations along the way. All right, now Whitey, where are we?
Mate, we are out here in the sunny Echuca for the Team Laid Back 6th annual poker run in support of Country Hope.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a ripper day, hopefully,
Good
mate.
charity.
Going to be a little bit warm, but it's all for a great cause, mate.
Yeah, and you've been doing a bit of fundraising in here for them?
We have, and at the first stop, mate, we're going to hand over a sizable cheque, we hope. Well, we are handing over a sizable cheque, so it should be, hopefully that'll be well received, and, all the people from our channel and our podcast have put their hands in their pockets, and,
Now, what do you got there, mate?
I got an invite to the Evo Fest.
Turn it round. Hogs, Cogs and 2 Aussie Flogs made a real big effort to support the Laid Back Rally, the poker run on the weekend. Prior to the event, they ran a raffle, online raffle amongst all their supporters. They've got a large following on YouTube and also on social media. Anyway, they raised some good money on that day, and the money they raised, they split between 2 charities. And those 2 charities were Bikers Against Child Abuse, and the other one was the Country Hope charity, which was the event that we attended on the weekend.
And then Whitey got involved last year, and at the start of this year we decided, listen, let's have a bit of a raffle and see if we can raise some decent funds for these guys. So we did that, raffle off, I think we had 400 tickets at $20 each, and we split the funds between Team Laid Back and Bikers Against Child Abuse.
So on behalf of the team from Hogs, Cogs and 2 Aussie Flogs and all our supporters, might give you a cheque for $3,905.25.
Now, Tex, where are you going to be in April?
I'm going to be in Kerrang at the Show and Shine.
The Harley Evo Fest at the Kerrang Show and Shine is a charity event. It's run exclusively by a committee, not for profit, to benefit our community. We support our sporting clubs, we support our community groups, and we support the privately owned and run facilities in the community, like the race club, the Ag Society grounds, all of that. The money we raise goes directly to them. So get on board. Now, mate, where are you going to be in April 26 and 27?
At the Evo Fest in Kerrang.
At the Evo Fest? Yeah. And what's your message to people that aren't going to be there?
Oh, you got to be there, mate. You can't
Got to be there. Yeah. We'll see you there, mate.